Good day, everyone. My name is Deborah Liu, and I am the product manager of SQFlash products, Advantech's industrial flash and memory line with advanced data security functions built in. We brand Advantech SSDs and DRAMs as SQFlash because we build them with data security and quality in mind to fulfill mission-critical application requirements. In addition, our rugged DIMM series are designed with robust mounting holes to withstand mechanical shock and vibration, and it is in compliance with military standard 810G. For industrial, medical, and military applications, SSDs and DRAMs are essential components of a computer system. Their reliability can impact the entire operation. If they fail, a mission-critical system can't operate at all, no matter how powerful a CPU is built inside. And I want to point out here that the majority of the flash or DRAMs you see on the market are mainly designed for consumer level or data center usage. They are not designed to meet industrial requirements in terms of product longevity, endurance, nor are they designed for harsh environment. As an industrial PC company, we launched SQFlash back in 2008. And we build and design them based on three fundamental values. First is on extended supply. We offer a minimum 3-year product longevity with very strict revision control process. You will know every single changes we make to the product. Unlike consumer-grade SSDs, you have shorter product life and do not support revision control. And second is on product reliability. We build SQFlash based on Tier 1 components to ensure quality, and our SSD's endurance is also 300% more than a consumer-grade SSDs. And both our SSD and DRAMs include -40 to 85 degrees C wide temperature options. And lastly, it is on data security. By default, SQFlash is built with power loss protection to ensure data is secure during unexpected power failure. In addition, our SSD is equipped with sophisticated software utility tools, which we call SQF Manager, to enable data encryption authentication. And to meet recent healthcare HIPAA requirement and federal data security guidelines, we are also rolling out U.S. federal Fips 140 certified SSDs. Fips is a federal data security standard for cryptographic modules. It sets a minimum strength level for data encryption used in sensitive but unclassified data operating environment. And Fips is not just a requirement for applications within government. Fips 140 standard also has becoming widely recognized for validating the effectiveness of cryptographic hardware for third-party validations, especially with the recent surge in data breaches. Financial, network infrastructure, and medical applications can also benefit from Fips certified SSDs. For instance, HIPAA is a federal law that requires health organizations to develop regulations to protect patient information, and Fips certified data encryption modules are being recognized. And as I mentioned in my previous slide, Fips is a widely recognized benchmark for data security. And in order to get Fips 140 certified, a drive must have full disk encryption from hardware, firmware, and software. It involves line-by-line code review of its underlying algorithms. In addition, anti-tamper coding on the PCBA of the module is also required. So if your application involves sensitive data, you'll need Fips certified drives with level 2 certification. And yes, Advantech has Fips certified drives in SATA 2.5-inch, SATA and NVMe M.2 2280 up to 2 TB. And with Fips certified SSDs, you can protect your drives from being tampered. And Advantech Irvine Regional Office is also ITAR registered to support military and government projects. In regards to our SQ Manager software utility, in 2020, we have consolidated these software features into a utility package called Device On SQ Manager to enable intelligent monitoring and advanced data security in the cloud with unified languages. And here I will highlight its unique data security features based on OPAL standard. First is the built-in multi-user and multi-area authentication mechanism. And second is that the EFI biosecurity integration. And lastly is the SQ Manager can support multiple OS software like Windows or Linux. In terms of the multi-user, multi-area mechanism, is useful where there are multiple staff members with different clearance level accessing different data on the same disk. For instance, at a hospital, IT administrators, doctors, and nurses will have different authorities to access patient information on their drive, and these functions allow them to set up different user access. And with EFI BIOS consolidation, customer can now leverage our EFI-ready utility and easily embed it into their BIOS to manage security features from the SSD. And the best advantage of this is that this security function is OS independent, meaning that no matter which OS you're using, it will not affect security management on the disk level. And of course, if a customer requires to operate all these security features within certain OS, we can also support that as well, even in Linux. So there are also other security functions included in this utility package, like disk pairing with the motherboard or set up read-write protection for this designated area within the disk. And last but not least is to enable data security rates. And for sure, the FIB certified SSD that I mentioned also support device on SQ Manager software utility. And even though there are tons of other SSDs on the market that supports Opal and a growing number of providers with FIB certified SSDs, but SQFlash is the only brand that provides full coverage of security management software utility and design services. And furthermore, we continue to invest in third-party solution integration, so you can see that both the McAfee and Acronis are already integrated functions within SQ Manager for enhanced data security. Our DRAMs are built with a similar software utility tool to allow users to detect its dynamic operating information, such as speed and temperature status. It is also built in with overheat alert functions that's triggered by user setting. And this alert function is important with the rising demand for 32 or 64 gigabyte large capacity DRAMs that will generate a lot of heat. And we are the only vendor to provide temperature monitoring utility tools. And just like our SSDs, we also carry various types of DRAM modules, such as special rugged DIMM, designed for high shock and vibration application, and -40 to 85C wide temperature option in our off-the-shelf products. And we also support customizations such as conformal coding or even customize the test process based on customers' requirement. And here are my key takeaway points. SQFlash is built with unique industrial design features to fulfill mission-critical requirements that's not available in other major brands. And Advantech SQFlash team not only owns SSD and DRAM technical know-how, we also have thermal design and single-board computer domain knowledge to provide a workable custom design solution for system-level integration. And not only SSDs, our DRAMs also offer customization services and exclusive software utility tool to provide real-time DRAM dynamic information. The SQFlash team has dedicated R&D and local engineering team to support and tackle your customers' requirements immediately. And finally, your customer can count on SQFlash when they are looking for a reliable and secure flash and memory that's long life, so they won't need to be concerned with product availability after it's been qualified. So there you have it. So get on board with SQFlash and get on the path to greater customer satisfaction. Thank you.